Civics second lesson, Citizens and Citizenship. Who is citizen? Citizen is a person of a country who is entitled to enjoy all the legal rights and privileges granted by a state. Who is citizen? Citizen can enjoy all legal rights of a country. Next we are going to see about types of citizen. There are two types of citizens, natural citizen and naturalized citizens. Natural citizens. Natural citizens are the citizens by birth. When we born in India, we are called Indian citizens. So we are natural citizens. Naturalized citizens. Naturalized citizens are the one who acquires citizenship. Citizenship. The word citizenship in ancient Greek referred to only those people who took direct and active part in the administration of the state. Who is citizenship? Citizenship must direct and active part in the administration of the state directly. There are two types of citizenship. First one is single citizenship, second one is dual citizenship. Single citizenship. Our Indian constitution provides for only single citizenship, that is the Indian citizenship. There is no separate state citizenship for India. Dual citizenship. Dual means double. Federal states like US and Switzerland has dual citizenship, that is national citizenship and state citizenship. So countries like US and Switzerland have two citizenship, that means national citizenship and state citizenship. Overseas citizenship of India. NRI, PIO, OCI. The abbreviation for NRI is not resident Indian. An Indian citizen who is residing outside India, who is living outside India and holds an Indian passport. He also can hold Indian passport. Next one, PIO, that is person of Indian origin. A person whose any ancestors, that means foreigners, grandfather and grandfather's father, okay, was an Indian nationals and who is presently holding another country's citizenship, but presently they are holding another country's citizenship. They are called PIO, person on Indian origin. Third one is OCI, that is overseas citizen of India card holder. It is an immigration status permitting a foreign citizen of Indian origin to live and work in the Republic of India indefinitely. There are no voting rights for an OCI card holder. So these OCI, that is overseas citizens of India, are immigrators, that means they are settling in foreign countries. These kind of persons don't have voting rights. Rights and duties of citizen. Our constitution confers the following rights for the citizen of India. Fundamental rights, that is basic rights, right to freedom, right to equality, right against exploitation, cultural and educational rights, right to vote in the election to the Lok Sabha and the state legislature. We have the right to vote in both Lok Sabha and state legislature, right to hold certain public offices. We can work in any public offices, right to become the member of parliament and state legislature. We can become a member of parliament and state legislature both. According to 42nd amendment of our constitution, a set of fundamental duties are prescribed for citizens of India. Like fundamental rights, we also have some fundamental duties. For example, paying taxes and defending the country, etc. Acquisition of citizenship. The Citizenship Act of 1955 prescribes 5 ways of acquiring citizenship. They are by birth, descent, registration, naturalization and incorporation of territory. Now we are going to see one by one. By birth, a person born in India on or after 26 January 1950 obtained citizenship of India. So after 26 January, one person born, they may obtain citizenship of India. Those who were born before 26 January and resided in India, they born before 26 January but now they are residing in India, they also given Indian citizenship. By descent, a person born outside India on or after 26 January 1950 obtain Indian citizenship. One person born outside India also obtain Indian citizenship if either of his parents is citizen of India by the time of his birth. By the time of his birth, either of his parents, any one of his parents is the citizen of India. By registration, any person who wants to become a citizen of India can acquire citizenship by registration. If anyone wants to become a citizen of India, they can acquire the citizenship of India by the registration easily. By naturalization, foreigners who have lived in India for 5 years can acquire by submitting an application to the President of India. Foreigners who have lived more than 5 years, they can obtain the Indian citizenship by submitting an application to the President of India. By incorporating of territory, if any new territory becomes a part of India, the government of India notify those persons and Indian citizenship is granted to them. So our Indian government noted the new territory persons and our government gave Indian citizenship to them. Laws of Indian citizenship in India. Part 2 of the Indian Constitution of India, Article 5 to 11 prescribes 3 ways of losing citizenship. First one is renunciation, second one is termination, third one is deprivation. Renunciation. An Indian who renounces his or her citizenship by submitting an application to the concerned authority loses his or her citizenship automatically. If you have to lose your Indian citizenship, what you have to do? You have to give a letter to the concerned authority. This renunciation is nothing but voluntary act. Termination. When an Indian citizen voluntarily acquires the citizenship of another country, he applies another country's citizenship, he or she automatically ceases to be an Indian citizen. His citizenship must be seized by Indian government. Deprivation. The citizenship is deprived on the basis of an order of the Government of India in cases involving acquisition of Indian citizenship by fraud, false representation or being disloyal to the Constitution. This is nothing but, boys, anyone obtained for Indian citizenship by wrong way, that is fraud way or false representation or disloyal, disfaithful to the Constitution, they must be removed automatically by the Indian government. Their citizenship must be removed automatically by the Indian government. Alien and immigrant. Alien refers to all non-citizens or non-nationals residing in a country. All non-citizens are called alien, that is tourists and foreign students. Immigrant refers to alien who has been granted the right to reside and work permanently without restriction in a particular country. These immigrants are working in that country without any restriction. They are called immigrant. Qualities of a good citizen. Loyalty to the Constitution, that is faithful to the Constitution, obeys law, he must obey our laws, contributes to society and community and performs civic duty. Civic means relating to the city or town. quality of goodness and justice. He must have a quality of goodness and justice. Respecting diversity. He has to respect our diversity. Global citizenship. Global citizenship is an idea that everyone, no matter where they live, is a part of a worldwide. All people have rights and civic. I already told about the meaning of civic relating to city or town responsibilities. It is fundamental in enabling young people to access and participate in shaping modern society. It is very necessary to the young people access and participate in the shaping of our modern world and modern society.